Let's make this simple but super delicious breakfast. Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make plantain frittata. I'll be using baking method. I'll be using 10 eggs. I have here chopped garlic, onions, yellow bell pepper, black pepper, I also have carrots, bouillon cube and salt, red bell pepper, chicken sausage, and of course my ripe plantain. All the ingredients is washed and chopped. You can use any number of eggs of your choice depending on the quantity of the frittata you want to make. I'll go ahead and peel my plantain and cut it into circular shape. Season it with a little salt and deep fry it till it's golden brown. Set that aside, and in another pan I add a little vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Go ahead and fry my chicken sausage first till it's golden brown and swells up. That's when you know that it's well fried. In that same pan, I go in with my onions. I fried my onions. After stir frying my veggies, I set it aside for it to cool before adding it to my eggs. Then add in my fried chicken sausage. Stir, stir, stir. Remember, I'm using baking method. You can also use saucepan over your gas top to make your plantain frittata. I grease my baking pan and line it with parchment paper. Lining it with parchment paper is so that it will not burn. Then pour in my egg mixture. I begin to top it up with my fried plantain and some bell peppers for garnishing. Guys, my plantain frittata is almost ready. I pop that into the oven and bake for 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. And yeah, my plantain frittata is ready, super delicious, and can have this for breakfast. You can even pack it as part of your kids' lunch pack. You can enjoy it as dinner anytime. Cut it into desired shape. I use my pizza cutter and cut it into desired shape. And please, if you watch this video to this very time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I like to hear from you. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to especially thank my returning subscribers. Thank you for the support. If you are new to the channel, please join the family by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.